Good morning, you guys. So today is Saturday and I'm watching my cousin's dogs today with my brother, and Justin's coming over in a little bit. It got a little bit of sass to them, but they're really cute. So why don't we go downstairs and go greet the dogs and hang out with them. Okay, so I have to show you guys the dogs. They're so cute. Say hi to YouTube. I wanted to show you guys my Christmas tree as well, our family's Christmas tree. Okay, so here is what our Christmas tree looks like. It's really cute. We've got, let me show you the ornaments that we have. We've got some of these ornaments. I've got some NARS ornaments on there for my sisters and my mom. And then down here, this is a painting, a watercolor painting that I did. And this is my brothers, my sisters, and then my oldest sister, who's actually like a real artist, so hers is amazing. And then here are all of our presents this year down here. So I pretty much got everybody's Christmas presents so far. So I'm just now gonna edit some videos and then post my gift list. I've got all 3 doggies on me right now. My baby, ooh, you babe. He's on my lap right now. So we're just gonna play a little bit. I think they're kind of tired, to be honest. Good morning, everyone. So I just got ready for Christmas Sunday. Yes, I look a little festive. Some may say I look a little too festive, but it's Christmas and there's no such thing. I'm wearing these Christmas earrings and necklace set that I got from Amazon. Someone is coming inside. I think it's my sister. Hi! Oh, my sister just came. The back of my hair looks so cute. So I hope you guys could see. I really like how my hair came out today. I decided to do a red lip because, again, when else do you wear a red lip other than Christmas and Valentine's Day? So I decided to pull out my red coat. This one's from Alice and Olivia. And yeah. Got it. Yeah. We ordered breakfast and we're gonna go inside now and pick it up. Don't forget your masks, people. Here's mine. Oh, it's hanging on my ear. Okay, let's go inside. I'm done with all of my gift shopping for all of my family members, and I finished getting all of my Christmas presents. I've got Justin's dad's stuff in here. Justin's mom's stuff is already at his house. This is for Justin's cousin, and then all of this is for Justin because my man gets the best stuff. And then this is for Justin's sister. I just got her, like you guys saw at Nordstrom's, I got this Discovery set, and it says for Kristen right here, as well as just this candle set, because I was like, I felt like this just kind of, I don't know, she opened it up and showed me and it kind of looked a little like weak in my opinion. For tonight, I am going to be making a charcuterie board. I don't want to go empty-handed. I bought her flowers. You guys saw that this morning. And then I'm going to probably head over to his house a little bit earlier. Okay. Well, that looks great. Okay, so I just got ready. And yes, I know this makeup look is a lot. But I was just really inspired to do a glittery liner look by Melissa Hernandez. She's a makeup artist, and I just really wanted to do it because she did a tutorial on it, but I'm just wearing an all black look. I'm wearing my Aritzia Melina pant, naked wardrobe bodysuit, and then just a fur vest. We're now gonna make the charcuterie board, and then I'm gonna head out. So I just wrapped it all up. I know it's not a traditional charcuterie board. I would have normally put it all over like a big board thing, but to make it portable for myself and to make it easier for me to clean afterward. And then we've got our crackers, olive tapenade. I've got like a dark chocolate pretzel thingy in the middle, and then bruschetta on the side. Okay, so today is December 23rd, and today I'm going on a Christmas dinner date thing with Justin. I kind of had the worst day ever, so I'm hoping that this date just makes it a little bit better, because just a few things. I'm just wearing a black turtleneck and this brown Alice and Olivia skirt, and then I'm probably gonna wear a coat and a pair of boots tonight, and then I'm also wearing tights as well. My makeup today is just really simple. I just did a simple cat eye, a little inner corner shadow, my typical nude lip. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready now, pack up all my things, drink some water because I have not drank enough water today, and I will see you guys in a bit. You know that I could be blindfolded and still vlog really well. And
you sure you're not? You can't see anything, right?
I can't see anything.
Okay.
It's because I've turned my vlog camera on so many times. I could close my eyes and do it. Okay. So Justin's taking me somewhere special, and I have no idea where, and I probably look so stupid. I know I look stupid because I blew out my hair and it's pointing inward towards each other, so I know I look so dumb. But Justin's blindfolding me, and you guys should have seen me try to walk up onto the sidewalk. It was ridiculous. But I don't know exactly where we're going. I'm just really hungry. And I don't know if Justin's saying something to the camera. I just have this feeling that he is.
Why do you say that?
I don't know, I just felt it. I just felt it. I felt you doing something. Like, 'cause you're just quiet, and then I don't know, your hands were like not holding me. And so I was like, he must be talking to something or whatever. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, so I don't know where we're going, but it should be really exciting, and I'm excited to vlog the day, so.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
I got my sister the New Balance shoes, and we're matching. Oh, we are. Good morning, you guys. So it's the day after Christmas, and my sister and I are headed to Starbucks, of course. She got us all, my second sister, she got us all Patagonia jackets, and I've actually never had anything from Patagonia before, but I think it's really nice. It's nice and warm. We got half zips. I chose this color. It's like an oatmeal color. Tomorrow is my oldest sister's birthday, and our other siblings and I are going to run to Target. We're gonna get 30 gifts of little things and like do like a little scavenger hunt planning for her birthday. Get some few things and then before my parents and my sister come back from golfing. Oh my gosh! Happy birthday to